Text sharing gonna show you in Capcut. Step 1. Add text. Step 2. How to add sticker. Step 3. How to add effects. Step 4. How to add transition on the video. Step 5. How to add filter. Step 6. How to remove screen background. Step 7. How to add sound effects. Step 8. How to export the part of file video. Before I show you one step to step, I want to show you this video. Okay, the video plays ready. Step 1. I will show you how to add text in Capcut. So this is the example here. So if you want to add text, first you need to click on timeline. And after, click on text button. And click on text template. There are a lot of style. Now scroll to choose, like the example in the video. Okay, this is style. I click on add button. Next, on this box you can edit the text that you want to show. So in box, I add text. And one more box, I add exercise. In this button you can scale to make your text big or small. And you can click move your text on the video. Okay, now place the video. Alright, the video ready show. Step 2. I will show you how to add sticker in Capcut. So this is the example. I will play for you. So if you want to add, you just click on the timeline here and click on the stickers button and choose style to make a sticker on the video. I click on this style and click add button. You can resize the sticker on the video. Okay, the step 2 is finished for add a sticker on the video. The step 3, how to add effect in Capcut. So this is the example I play for you. Next, if you want to add effect on the video, first you click on the timeline. And next, click on the effect button. And choose the style that you want to add effects on the video. Okay, this is style I add on my video. And next, I resize the time frame. And I place the video. Okay, with the add effects in Capcut is finished. So we go on to step 4. Step 4, how to add the transition in Capcut. So this is the example. I will play it for you. So if you want to preset the transition first, so now I need to split the video. And I click on the first video. And click on transitions button and choose style. You can set the duration of the transition in this button. Okay, you can place the video to test with the transition after you preset. Okay, step 4 finish. Step 5. How to set filter in Capcut. The filter in Capcut is mean that you want to change color or something that your video is smooth or better from the original video. Okay, I will show you. If you want to preset the filter, first you click on this button and choose any style. So this is style that I want to add on the video. I click on this button. You know that the color of my video is changed. I love this color. And you can set the time that you want to show on the video with a filter. Okay, with the step 5 finished, so we go on to the step 6. Step 6, how to remove screen's background in Capcut. So this is a video that I just want to remove. Okay, alright, I will do this place to you now. First, I need to add the video that has the screen's background here. And next, I need to speed fast. And after, click on the video and click on this button. Check on this box, click on this pen, and click on the green color on the video. And after, resize to remove the screen's background from the video. Alright, so ready to remove. Okay, now play the video after you preset. Okay, with step 6 finished, so we goes to step 7. Step 7. How to add sound effect in Capcut. If you want to add sound, first you click on the timeline that you want to show the sound effect. Next, click on this button and click to show drop down here. Choose the sound that you want to show on your video. And there are a lot of sound you can choose. And try to find the best sound that you want to show. In the first timeline, and it's this sound. And I need to add one more sound effect. So this is the sound that I want to add here. Okay, after I add the sound effects, so play the video. Okay, with the add sound effects is already, so we goes to the last step, how to export off part in Capcut. Step 8. You want to export off part in the video that is faultless. So first, you just click on to the timeline that you want to export here and press the key I. And next, finish off the part that you want to export. You need to press the key O. And next, click on Export button. Rename our file and choose the location keeping file and click Export to the video. And I click Cancel. Click on this Cancel again. And click on this button. So this is a video on my desktop. I will place this video. Okay, with the 8 sharing is finished. Thank you for your love sharing. See you next video.